students, welcome to class. Yeah, I have a haircut. I talked about it in the last video. We're not going to talk about it some more. Okay, we can talk about it if you want to. I was noticing that the drain in my tub was getting like full of hair. And even though my hair is short in that video, if you actually take a hair, it's actually as long as like from here all the way down to there. So that's like that long. Even though I had short hair, I had all these long hairs and they were all getting stuck in the drain. I'd be in there and like pull out this disgusting mess. So I thought to myself, okay, I should get it layered so that each hair is a little bit shorter. See? Shorter. Anyway, that's that. All right, so today we are looking at, she admits it. That vegan teacher caught in 1080p. I have no idea what that means. I keep hearing that expression everywhere. Caught in 1080p. Can somebody explain to me down below? I mean, I guess I could have Googled it if I wanted to. I guess I don't really care. Basically, you're trying to say that I was caught. That vegan teacher was caught. She admits it. She admits that she is attacking people who are racists, murderers, people who are cruel. Yeah? Yeah, I admit it. Don't you attack people who are cruel? Don't you attack racists? Don't you attack people who are homophobic, mean to people or any sentient beings for no fucking reason? Hopefully you do. Hopefully you're going to be vegan very soon. I was going to say, I have my hopes up. But, you know, my husband says that my problem is that I am optimistic to a fault. Because every time there's somebody new that I'm talking to, I'm like, oh, maybe this person will be vegan. Naively, I thought, you know, if I talk to Sniper Wolf and I talk to her about how she should be vegan, she should stop promoting all these dead bodies on her channel and just say, hey, to her audience, let's try to be a little more vegan. Let's try some vegan foods and let's not promote any death on my channel. I naively thought if I just talked to her nicely, she would do that. But what a shocker. Call me Chris, there's another one. You know, this sweet Canadian person, you know, Canadians are supposed to be nice. Well, apparently that's all bullshit, especially considering I'm Canadian and I'm not nice. Well, at least you don't think so. But the animals, they love me. They know I'm nice. Because there's a difference between being nice and polite. I might not be very polite with people because I tell them straight to their face that they're an animal abuser. But I'm nice, I'm kind, because I care about the bottom line, about saving them from so much hell and torture. Anyway, I thought that I would be, you know, nice to people like Mr. Beast and Gordon Ramsay at first, you know, saying to them, hey, you got things a bit mixed up. When I was back on TikTok there with my account that had almost 2 million followers, and I said, you know, I think you're getting mixed up. I think you're mixing up animals and food. I had this nice 60-second speech. You know, what did he do? He paid for a dead animal to be murdered. He paid for an animal to be murdered, and then he ate it. And then he made a point of saying, this is not vegan. Like, what a fucking asshole. Anyway, you know, between all of these people, who else do we got? Darman, you know, who makes these wonderful videos. You would think that of all people, Darman would say, hey, that vegan teacher, you know, you're right. I'm going to try to be vegan from now on. I'm going to start getting more vegan foods in my cart. I'm going to talk about it on my show more, on my videos. You would think that he would rise to the occasion and do that, right? Not yet. So somebody like this gentleman here, super cute, kind of funny, you know, seems like he's smart. He's sort of like weighing things out with the water that he pours into these bowls. You know, back in the day, I would have thought, yeah, he's going to be vegan before we know it. You know, and he, you know, some people might say, oh, you're being racist by picking on him, or, you know, black people can't be vegan, or whatever bullshit reasons that you guys give. Saying that black people can't be vegan? That's racist in itself. You don't think he has the heart to be vegan? You don't think he's smart enough? Do you know how many dark-skinned people are lactose intolerant and people at schools give them free milk to everyone? That's racist in and of itself. Anyway, that's a whole other subject. But here he's saying in this 20-second video, she admits it. Like, so what am I supposedly admitting? Oh my God, now what did I do? I screwed up the whole thing. Okay, let's see if I can get this back on track. Okay, here we are. It's going to be kind of small, guys, but let's watch. He thinks I attack non-vegans, and he is absolutely right. Wait, why didn't you empty those? Okay, excuse me. He thinks that I attack non-vegans, and he's absolutely right. Okay, yeah, admit it. Admit it.
He should have emptied those because I attack all non-vegans.
I attack all non-vegans. Why is this a surprise to anyone? Why does this need to have a 21-second video about it? Of course I attack people who attack others. Of course I stand up to the bullies. People are racist towards animals all the time. And if you think that racism is wrong, then look into the mirror and see if you are truly racist or anti-racist. Now you might say to yourself, oh, you can't be racist towards animals because they're not humans. And I invite you to tell me what is the fucking difference. Whether you have wings, or you have claws, you have fur, you have feathers, you have skin that's like this, you have black skin, white skin, purple skin, I don't care who the heck you are. Don't be prejudiced against another group just because they are different than you. Look at their behavior and what they do. What did a chicken ever do to you? What did a pig ever do to you? What did a lamb ever do to you? What did a little bee ever do to you that makes you, who are how many times, 1,000,000 times bigger than a bee, you decide you're going to go in there and steal their honey? The one thing they've worked their whole life for. Stop being racist towards animals. Stop picking on them. Speciesism is the first form of racism. That is where it starts. When you are really little and some ignorant teacher doesn't yell at you because you're stepping on ants. If you're a teacher and you see people kids in the schoolyard stepping on ants just for the hell of it, you should be giving them shit and sending them home. It's animal abuse. There should be no animals also in the classroom trapped in there unless these are rescued animals that are not bought from some pet store. Okay, I don't know. How did I end up in another video here? Oh my God. Anyway, you guys get the idea.
He thinks I attack non-vegans, and he is absolutely right. Wait, why didn't you empty those? He should have emptied those because I attack all non-vegans. You could be fat, skinny, black, white, you could be...
There you go. I said it. It doesn't need its own video. Of course I admit it.
Be Asian, you could be a woman, a man, a parent, a grandparent, a teacher, a lawyer, a doctor. If you are not vegan, I will come after you.
There you go. You heard it there. Okay. So, by the way, if you're not following this guy, Eyeball Right Celebs, maybe you could consider doing so. Keep an eye on him. Check him out. You know, adjust your glasses and look closer. Look him up and down and say, hey, that vegan teacher is hoping that you're going to be vegan. So, Eyeball, what is your name, by the way? What's your name? Fred, Barney, George? What is your name? I don't want to call you Eyeball. It seems so weird. I guess I could Google it. Ugh. Anyway, listen. Do a nice video about that vegan teacher, okay? Do another one about me and you know, I don't know what you should do. Just say something. Just say, hi, vegan teacher. How are you? I'm trying to be vegan from now on. Oh my God. I would lose it. I would be so happy. Okay, don't be a jerk and start eating chicken in front of me and showing me how racist you are towards animals. Show me that you are against racism, that you don't believe that animals should be enslaved. Are you against slavery? I'm going to assume you are, because slavery is wrong. Are you against prejudice? I'm going to assume you are. So be morally consistent. Make a beautiful video showing me that you are eating anything that's vegan. Okay, go and Google, for example, vegan marshmallows. Okay, and go and buy some. There's a brand called Dandies. And just show yourself eating some Dandies. Go and get yourself a vegan pizza and show yourself eating the vegan pizza. And if for some reason you don't like that vegan pizza, don't make a freaking video showing how you don't like it. Find one that you do like. Go and order some Beyond Burgers or go and get some. Make those. And if you don't want to eat processed foods, then just show yourself eating a delicious bowl of pasta, rice, a lentil chili. Okay? I need some help here on this channel. Jim, or whatever your name is, Bob. What is your name? Peter? I don't know. What is his name? Mike? Mark? What are popular names? You know, anyways, I don't know. Kevin, George, I already said that. I don't know. Anyway, Mr. Water Bottle Guy, okay? Water is vegan. Yay! You're starting out so well. I'm so proud of you and I want to keep liking you. Don't make me hate you. I don't want to have to put you up there in my list of Call Me Chris and Sniper Wolf and Gordon Ramsays and all of these horrible people who are animal abusers. Come on, man. Come on. Be on my side. I need somebody, anybody from the internet who I've gone after and said, you are a racist. You are cruel to the animals. You need to stop and be vegan from now on. I need one of you guys, any of you guys, to come over to my side. Okay, we're going to work so well together. It's going to be so fun. Okay? Okay. Oh, I got an idea. How about with your H2O, you have, I know, you can make a vegetable soup. Yes. Okay, that's it. Okay, look. You get one of those, those plug-in things that you can cook with, or you can go to your kitchen if you want. Okay, and then you have a pot of boiling water, right? And instead of adding water to your thing, you start adding vegetables. And you say, this is, we're making the vegan teacher happy, or we're going to show what's inside the vegan teacher. And then you show like a few carrots, bloop, and you feel like, a little of, a Brussels sprout in there. And just like buy 30 different kinds of vegan foods. I'm always telling people they should eat 30 kinds of vegan foods, right? So make a nice YouTube video showing all of the ingredients that go into that vegan teacher. I don't care. Make it funny, actually. Oh yeah, you can make it super funny. Okay, you can have oats, right? Nobody usually puts oats into a soup, but why not? What's the difference between oats in a soup or like barley, right? So take a few oats and go plop and put those in the soup because they're vegan, right? Then do anything else. Take a piece of toast and put it in the soup. Take a slice of banana and put it in there. I don't care. Just make a fun vegan soup and have it boiling and then show yourself eating it or drinking a nice cup of it and just be like, this is delicious. And then say, way to go, vegan teacher, for trying so hard to protect the animals from the horrific holocaust that's going on right now. Why do I feel like crying? I know. Because I get my hopes up that some of you are going to be decent people. And it's so sad when you're not. But anyway, maybe you're different. Maybe you're different. All right, thank you so much, everyone, for being here. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them, be curious, follow That Vegan Teacher site, subscribe to this channel, subscribe, and press the notification bell. Help me get the animals out of hell. And if you don't believe what goes on here, please watch this documentary. Okay, you type the whole thing in. You type in watchdominion.com, the whole thing. Okay, don't just type in dominion.com, type watchdominion.com. Please watch it so you know why I'm here. Please don't just comment below and just write some bullshit like everyone else does. Watch what happens to every single animal on this planet. And open your heart. You know where to start. You're at the right place. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. You got to get the message into your head. And you got to get it into your heart for the animals. We are here to protect the animals. And in doing so, we're going to be protecting humanity as well and our planet. It's all connected. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.